What's up guys, welcome to our new video. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at an INGCO cordless multi-tool. Let's unbox and review the contents, then we'll power it up and take it for a spin. The battery and charger are sold separately. That's all you get with this product. The first blade is for wood cutting. Scraper blade. Saw blade for wood. Delta sanding pad. Sanding pad. Allen key. Let's install the battery and check out some accessories for the device. The multi-tool has 6 different speed levels. We'll attach the wood cutting blade, which can be mounted on the device in multiple angles or directions. There is another video review for this device's performance on various materials, including wood, metal, and plastic. Check it out on the channel. Now let's try out the Delta sanding pad. This tool is versatile and can be used for multiple projects, but one downside is that it's quite loud and can be a bit annoying. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next review.